Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine and getting the installers. Download the SQL Server Media and SSMS, then sign in with an administrator account so you can change services and firewall rules. Once downloaded, mount the ISO or run the web installer. Choose the basic or custom install depending on control needs. Make sure NET Framework 4.8 is present and confirm at least 6 GB free. Otherwise, pause now and free space, because setup fails if storage is insufficient. Run Setup, exe and pick New SQL Server Standalone Installation. Choose Default for simplicity or Named Instance for multiple servers. Set service accounts, use low-privilege domain accounts when possible, then pick collation based on application needs. Select Database Engine Services and optionally Full Text and SSIS. For logins, pick Mixed Mode to support Windows and SQL logins. Set a strong SA password and add your admin user to SQL Server administrators. Once configured, install and wait for the confirmation step. After installation, install SSMS and connect to your instance to validate. Check that SQL Server and SQL browser services are running. If not, restart and review Windows event logs. Create a simple test database and run Select 1 to confirm queries work. Configure firewall rules to allow TCP 1433 only as needed, set automated backups and maintenance plans, and register your instance in monitoring. If something goes wrong, check the SQL Server error log first. Permissions or blocked ports are the most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.